Good morning, everybody. It's another day with the bird in paradise up here. Morning, Blackbird.
Good morning.
We just picking up. You gonna let her use that vacuum, or
just to give it to her?
That's nice of you. So
it takes up room.
Room. Yeah, it's amazing fit job. There's like not one. We're at bird storage unit. There's like not 1 square foot of unoccupied. It's neat. It's in containers and stuff, you know. So it's cool. We'll be back here later today, though. Operation Miss Jen right now, and I can say hi to Buddy and meet Buddy. So let's get on the road.
Maybe we could get some carrots real quick.
Get some carrots? Yeah, we'll go down. Is Tractor Supply open, or you want to go down to the mart? We'll go someplace. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're on the road. First stop is gonna be Tractor Supply. We're gonna get some more treats for Buddy. Be my first time meeting Buddy. Look at these little bikes here. That's cool. Damn, these things look cool, don't they? Damn. Little Coleman units here. That's pretty warm. I need like a concrete grinder.
I have one.
Okay.
Pretty sure I have
the wheel for it? Yeah.
Well, I don't have a really good one.
Yeah. They have to be kind of soft, so. Join crunchy horse treats. Do they have to be soft ones, or do they need to be crunchy?
Sometimes I put special sauce in it.
Okay.
This one. What is it? That one looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah. If you grab the one in the very back, it's probably newer, so it's fresher. Is this to me?
This one's more. I can't afford that one. That one's $20.
What, this one here, Gourmet Gold? That one? Yeah.
This one's $10.
Okay. Crack corn. Be nice for making moonshine right there. That's nice. Premium blends for making moonshine. We used to do sweet feed. That's actually what we used. The corn, oats, barley, molasses, sweet feed. It's sweet. This stuff makes kick-ass. Yeah, oh, here it is, the cob. Corn, oats, barley, molasses. This stuff makes hella good moonshine here if you guys are ever looking to do it. I'm tired of dicking around with moonshining, but there it is. That's the stuff.
So I guess we'll go to my...
Look who it is. It's Buddy. Buddy.
She's okay with
Yeah, it's about as close as I want to get. Are we good, Buddy? Ooh, hello. Well, I'm under attack here. Thank God for the metal gate, right? It's like my worst nightmare come to life, huh? Are you a good boy? Huh? What's your story? Huh? You good boy? Huh? Never thought I'd be doing this. Bah, bah. Nice, Buddy, huh? Are you, Buddy? Surprised you guys, didn't I? Buddy. Nice, buddy. Buddy. I wonder if they shake their tail if they're happy. Just be careful they don't gang up on me here. What do you do? Just kind of. This is. The goats are gone crazy.
Buddy.
Oh.
Hi, Fox. Good morning. Good morning, Fox. Buddy, you're so handsome.
Oh. Just keep dropping it there.
Hello.
Oh, goat got it. Down, boys. Let's not go crazy now. I don't like this herding. Whoa, ooh, easy. Ooh. See, this is it. This is like they're gonna bite the lock off. Holy, this is like it. This nightmare city here. Easy. 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 See, we're getting ready to go into attack mode there.
Hi, Preston. Good morning. Okay, let me get my selfie.
So that's Buddy over there. There's easy socks. Be breathing heavy on me. Remind me of one of my ex-girlfriends there. Always breathing heavy. It's a big cat.
Yeah. Got some super dank cat food. Yum, yum. Good stuff, huh? Look at Gabby. Hi, Gabby. Hello. How is Gabby? Oh, so good to see you, Monkey. So handsome. Hey everyone, free run. Hey you, be nice, you buddy. Socks. Hey,
Oh,
what did I say? I get you doing it. Okay, slobber. Come on. Oh, you don't want to.
what a great visit to finally meet Miss Jenna here. She was really cool and very kind and sweet, so she probably appreciated you coming by. And I know it's always sad when you leave Buddy down there. And
Yeah.
you can't take Buddy to Rancho, right? Walking around that back there. A lot of fun, good visit. Yeah, I actually fed a horse. I actually touched one today, so good times. I wasn't gonna walk inside that pen though. I ain't gonna do that. Baby steps, baby steps, baby steps. All right, we're gonna pop back to the motel, dump some trash, and Bert's gonna grab the stick. We're gonna go to the storage locker
Yeah.
and get what we need, and then we're on our way to Ferndale. Bird's got it packed to the rafters. Huh?
Yeah, just
Woo!
not to show the number.
Yeah.
Look at all my junk. These are my old backpacks.
sleeping bag. That orange bag. I have enough tools. I'm just gonna leave these. These are my original go-tos. Give me one of these. I have a couple batteries. I'm not bringing these batteries.
We got a full load bike inside, bike rack on the back, the greatest record collection in the history of the world. thing weighs 60 pounds. That box. I don't think Bird ever throws anything. He had to dig deep for his all of his film to develop that. So, all right. Bird's a happy guy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, all that digging to get that.
Thank you, Rosie.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, guys, and that's it. The bird is landed. Mission accomplished.
Yes.
You wore yourself out a little bit on humping that shit in there.
I know.
All right, guys.
See, we didn't even get to a quarter of it. Right? We didn't even get past a quarter.
I know.
Fuck.
I know. All right, guys. On the road again.